about the war. Here I am giving you a quick revision. First World War time period 1914 to 18. Okay, fought between two power, Triple Allies, and the Allied power. These were the countries. Initially, when the war started, people were in favor of Tsar, but later on, his favor decreased because Tsar refused to consult Duma, as well as before of anti-German sentiments. Tsar wife belonged to a Germany. Sorry, initially I said Austria. Austrian princess was the France, the wife of the France king. And this Tsar wife belonged to Germany. Okay, and because of Rasputin. All these were the reason why the favor of king decreased. Now we discuss about the impact of the war on Russia. What were the impact? When the war was fought on two fronts, Eastern Front and Western Front. Now how to understand Eastern Front and Western Front? This is the central power, Germany, Austria, Hungary and Ottoman Empire. So this is the Eastern Front of the German Eastern Front, this one. This is the Eastern Front and this is the Western Front. So these central power have to fight on both the fronts. Okay. On the Western Front, the Allied power was winning. Allied power, that is France. France is here now, and Italy joined later on in 1915. They both were there. So on this side, France and Italy, Allied power, were performing well. Why they were performing well? Because on the Western Front, the war was fought from the trenches. Why? What are trenches? But France army was well equipped also, as well as trenches are like this. There is a ground. They dug up the ground and the soldiers stand here. गड्ढे करके वहाँ से लड़ना, ताकि अगर कोई गोली आती है इनको ना लगे. These are trenches. Trenches means खुदाई करके नीचे से जमीन के लड़ना. So on Western Front, Allied power was winning. While on the Eastern Front, Russian army initially was doing well, occupy some of the region, but with a large number of casualties. What is casualty? Means so many deaths. Around how much casualty? 7 million. Means in Indian terms 70 lakh soldiers died. And when the Russian army know that they were losing the battle, then they started retreating. Retreating means moving backward. As they start moving backward, the German and Austrian army moved forward. What the Russian army did when they were retreating, they were moving back. At that time, they keep on destroying all the crops and the building on the way. Why they were destroying? Because they thought that as we are leaving this land, then German and Austrian army when occupy the area, they don't get any food or the crop to get fed up. And obviously then they move back. That's why they keep on destroying. And this thing resulted in around how much? 1 million. 3 million refugees. What is the meaning of 3 million refugees? 3 million refugees means 30 lakh refugees of Russia. Means जो एरिया ये लोग खाली करके रिट्रीट कर रहे थे, पीछे आ रहे थे, यहाँ के जो एरिया था, यहाँ पर जो लोग रह रहे थे, रेजिडेंशियल पीपल, आर्मी वॉज आस्किंग देम टू मूव बैकवर्ड. दे वर मूविंग बैकवर्ड. जब वो वहाँ जा रहे थे तो दे वर लाइक अ रेफ्यूजी over that line. That's why it result in a 30 million refugees. As the result, the French soldiers were not ready to fight in a war anymore. So this was one of the impact of the First World War on Russia. That the Russian army was losing and they were not ready to fight the war. There was also the lack of ammunition with the army. Second thing, the war also had a severe impact on Russian industries. How it was having a severe impact? You know that Russia have a very few industries. 85% of the Russian economy depend on agriculture. Okay. and that's why it was having very less industries, and the industry which was set up in Russia, they were set up by the foreign investment only. And now see, this is the Baltic Sea region. Over the Baltic Sea, there was a control of Germany. Because of that, the supply of the raw material to Russia get stopped up. And because of the stoppage of the supply of the raw material, as a result, the industry shut down. Apart from that, in 1916, railway line also began to break up because of the shortage of the industrial iron and steel, all these things. Along with this, when the war was going on, war में देखिए कितने टाइम रशिया ने पार्टिसिपेट किया, 14 से लेकर 17, 14, 15, 16, 17. For 4 years, Russia participated in the war, and as a result of that, there was a need of a large number of soldiers because there was a lot of casualty in Russia. So, able-bodied men were asked to join the army, and when all the able-bodied men means all the healthy people or the fit people were asked to join the army, then obviously in the civilian area there was the shortage of labor. And because of the shortage of labor, small household industries and the small industries also get shut down. And there was a large supply of a food grain to the army, and this also resulted to the shortage of grain within the country. As a result, bread and flour scarcity occur in the country, and the riots started. Riots means लोगों ने जो है राशन शॉप्स पर हमले करने, they start attacking the ration shop for the bread and butter. So all these things led to a very worse condition in the Russia, and as the result, when people forced the Tsar to withdraw from the war, finally in 1917, Tsar withdrew Russia from the First World War. And at that time, after this, we discuss about how the Russian Revolution started. Thank you all.